Hi everyone, it's me again, Nick Moody from Nick Moody Funny Talk. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be doing, wait for it, a product review of, I hear you ask, some car detailing products. So, you know what to do. Sit back, relax, button that seatbelt up and enjoy the video. Hello everyone, thank you for watching. As I've just said, this is going to be a little product review about some car detailing products, and it's from a company called Alien Car Magic Limited. How cool a name's that? They're based outside of Milton Keynes, I think, so that's a long way for me. Hence I got a little delivery through the post. It's a little sample box I got last week. It should retail, I think, at 40 quid, and I got it with a £10 discount promotion offer that they were doing. The reason why I chose Alien Car Magic Limited products, well, I saw a video of them doing a snow foam on an Audi RS4, which is what I've got. So I thought, out of the tens of detailing companies out there, Auto Glim, Dual, etc., I thought, you know what, I'm going to give them a go. So this video is going to be a little bit of a product review, and it is only part one. There will be a part two video coming out in the coming week, which actually has me using the products properly on either my Merc C-Class or the RS4. So without further ado, I'll do a bit of a cinematic, and then I'll go into the products themselves. Enjoy. What do you reckon of that then? Now, I've got the Deluxe sample kit in front of me, so I'll show you what's in. First of all, you get a nice little Alien Magic lanyard. You get a nice buffing cloth. You get two microfiber cloths as well for cleaning the interior and other things. Now this is the good bit. You then get 10 100ml bottle samples of all the car detailing paraphernalia that you could ever wish for. So, in no particular order, here we go. This one is called, can you see that? It's called Alien Magic Bling. That is a luxury car shampoo, so I'm looking forward to giving that a go. We've then got the Ice Baby. No, we've got the pH neutral, which is good, so it doesn't affect the paintwork snow foam, so I'll definitely be giving that a shot. It seems to be the all new thing, this, the old snow foam, so looking forward to doing that. What actually attracted me to these Alien Car Magics was the Hulk-like, as my little 4-year-old told me, the Hulk-like green snow foam. So I'm looking forward to seeing what colour this bad boy is, that's for sure. We've then got some air freshener. So let's just have a smell of that. Ooh, I don't know what the smell is, but it's definitely like that new car smell that we all love and like. Oh, I might be using that in the old pits, I think. Be smelling like a Maltese brothel. Don't ask me how I know what one of them smells like. We've then got Diamond, which is the glass cleaner. We've then got one called Slick. Very nice. And that is tyre and plastic dressing. So once you've cleaned your tyres, spray this on and it'll give you that gloss-like black sheen stroke shine. Always a good one, I always think, to do. Get the tyres looking shit hot and your car will. We've then got Argon. These are quality names, aren't they, these? And this is a nano and carnauba spray wax. So this will be after you've cleaned your car and you're wanting to seal all that goodness in. We'll probably be giving that a squirt or two. We've then got Wrath. Whoa. And this is an iron fallout remover. So iron fallout removers are normally used on your alloy wheels. You spray it and then it does a chemical reaction, I think, with all the iron particles, which is all like your brake dust, and then you leave it to dwell for a minute or so, wipe it off, stroke, use your pressure washer. Here, presto, Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, and you've got a clean alloy wheel that you could eat your dinner off. Lovely. We've then got Guard. That's your alloy wheel sealant. So that will be used probably after you've cleaned your wheels with the old iron fallout remover that we've just done. So you'll be spraying that on, and like I say, that'll protect your alloy wheels, which is a must around Barrow anyway. All that salt and don't even get me started on it. They're a nightmare to clean and keep clean, sorry, the alloy wheels. And finally, we have Pristine. So this is a hard surface cleaner. What does it... so it's for plastic and vinyl. So that'll be used on the interior of the car. And let's just have a smell. Ooh, smells a bit like permanent marker. And then we've got a Hog's Hair size 16 detailing brush. It's alright, isn't it? Eh? So I can use that on the interior or for your grill outside and all like your badges. Or you could use it on your wheels, getting into them wheel nuts, you know, where all the brake dust accumulates. So yeah, good. And I did forget, because I've already used it, and I shouldn't have, because this is the first time I'm allegedly opening the box, but I had a green drying towel, and we use these drying towels instead of the chamois leathers. It's like a microfiber towel that soaks up all the water, and any grit or anything that's on the car, the microfiber grabs it and keeps hold of it, so that you don't get them like swirl marks that you normally see on hand wash cars. So that was really good. Bright green it was, so with the Hulk theme. It's yeah, it was really good. So that's come to the end, I think. Yeah, just check. That's come to the end of our little review of the deluxe sample pack from Alien Car Magic. I did say earlier that this is only part 1 of the video. You'll have to wait for part 2, which should be coming out in the next week or so, and that'll be where I'm actually trying out these products for the first time. In the meantime, if you can't wait for that, I do have Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. So if you do want more Nick Moody Funny Talk, please give us a like, give us a subscribe on YouTube. Likewise, if you want to, give us a like and a follow on both Instagram, Twitter, and of course, Facebook. So, hope you liked all that. And like you say, come back in about another week and we should have this next part of the Alien Magic Car trilogy put up onto the channel. So, without further ado, I'll let you go. Stay safe, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.